Let's learn how to turn a JPG or a PNG to an SVG with layers in this simple tutorial. First, come to PNG to SVG.com, scroll down, and under Image to Vector, select Choose a File in the drag and drop menu. Locate your file in the Finder and click Open. From here, decide if you want your conversion to have more or less colors. So this image has a maximum of 9 colors. So if I click Generate with the maximum amount of colors, my SVG will look like this, and if I generate it with the minimum amount of colors, my SVG would look like this. You can also do the same with Simplify, so the lower the score, the crisper the image will be, and the higher the score, the simpler the image will be. So an image with a Simplify rating of 10 will look like this, and an image with a Simplify of 0 will look like this. Remember, the more colors and the crisper the image is, the higher the file size. Play around with these options until you're happy, and once the image is generated, click Download SVG. Locate your downloaded SVG, mine's in my Images folder, right-click, open with Illustrator. Come to Window, Layers, expand the SVG layer, and expand the group, and here now you can see all the individual components. Select the group, click Release to Layers Sequence. That will now convert all these components to individual layers, and then finally select the top one, hold Shift, select the bottom one, and then click and drag these layers into the bottom section to create a new set of layers. If you like, you can delete or toggle off the SVG in the original group layer. And there you have it. That's how you turn a PNG or a JPG into an SVG with layers using a combination of PNG to SVG.com's free converter and then Adobe Illustrator. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.